While nature stimulates your creativity and productivity, people spend 95% of their time indoors. We don't want to dictate the way you work. We just want to give you the freedom to choose by yourself. I left my engineering job to design my own productive workspace. I decided to bring my designs back to the drawing board and simplify things. Meet chAir, a lightweight folding chair and desk combination. Aluminum for the optimum strength-to-weight ratio. 12mm 3-layer bamboo for its superior appearance. Textiline as seating material for its comfort and boundless durability. chAir weighs less than 6 kilograms, and thanks to its modern aesthetics, it allows you to design the office as you prefer. With chAir, the outdoors can now be your new office space. Or sit back, relax, and enjoy your break in a public place. Everyone is different. Only you know how to work best. With your pre-order, we'll be able to produce our first batch. Thank you.